Tuklaw! Tuklaw!
Tuklaw!
Tuklaw!
Isa sa sigarilyong tuklaw ang tawag. Pag binasa mo kasi ang tuklaw, it's not from the Philippines and most of its origins, ang sinasabi sa balita, is coming from Vietnam. It's 9 times more potent than the usual regular tobacco. Kami nang nagkaroon ng fidgeting or seizure attacks. Nag-start sa Palawan and as mentioned din sa balita, may synthetic cannabinoid component siya. Nicotine, di naman siya pinagbabawal per se, pero sa amin kasi matagal nyo nang naman nakita sa vlogs ko na ayaw ko din sa sigarilyo. As much as possible, wag nyo itry manigarilyo. Dito sa product na to, sobrang taas kasi niya, the substance nicotine, pwedeng magkaroon ng interaction sa receptors ng brain ng isang tao. Now, bakit yung title? Nicotine as a pesticide. Ang nicotine works similar to acetylcholine. Nasa brain natin that is used in normal function. Okay? All the works or haywire ng utak natin. And nicotine mimics that. Nagkakaroon ng yung feeling of parang focus, alert. Pero kung too much yon, it will cause toxicity to your brain. Nung sinaunang panahon, they even noted that nicotine is a natural pesticide. This is from Stanford Chemicals. Nicotine is a useful pesticide as mentioned dito and acts as an anti-herbivore chemical in tobacco. Similar sa nabanggit ko kanina, it mimics acetylcholine. It attaches to the acetylcholine receptor sa utak natin. Nagkakaroon siya ng very active and agitated state. And that acts as the insecticide portion to the point na mapaparalyze na yung insect. Okay, because of the exposure to nicotine.